Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another cool video. My name is Charles, and if you're new to the channel, go over and smash that subscribe button. Also like this video, leave a comment down below, and remember, stay safe and enjoy.
Have you ever wondered if the red bird from Angry Birds is a real bird? Well, it turns out it is, and is called the northern cardinal. The northern cardinal is a bird in the genus Cardinals, is also known as the redbird. It can be found in southern eastern Canada, throughout eastern United States to Texas, and throughout Mexico. Its inhabitants include woodlands, gardens, and wetlands. The northern cardinal is a mid-sized songbird with a body length of 21 to 23 centimeters in length. It has a distinctive crest on the head and a mask on the face, which is black in the males and gray in the females. The male is a bright red while the female is a reddish olive color. The group contains 5,000 or so species found all over the world. The song in its clade is essentially territorial because it communicates the identity and whereabouts of an individual to other birds, and also signals sexual intentions. Sexual selection among songbirds is highly based on mimemic vocalization. Female preference has shown in some populations to be based on the extent of a male's song repertoire. The larger the male's repertoire, the more females a male individual attracts. It is not to be confused with bird calls that are used for alarms and contact, and especially important in birds that feed or migrate in flocks. Almost all living birds give calls of some sort. Well-developed songs are only given to a few lineage outside the songbirds. Thanks guys for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.